What's up, Brat Nation? It's your girl Kylie, and I am back with another video. And before I start this video, I just really wanted to shout out Curtessy Simone for starting her own business. She is new to this whole business thing, and I just really wanted to shout her out. Her brand is basically, lip glosses, lashes, and accessories. So yeah, definitely go check her out in the description box below and show her some love because she is new, and we all need that support. So yeah, y'all go check her out. Okay, y'all, so as you can tell, this is going to be another lip gloss video, and in this video I'm basically just going to answer everything that I couldn't get in the other video, or people couldn't hear me. Last video I was sick, so I couldn't really speak loud. My throat was hurting, and I was really just trying to get the video out, and I was talking really low, and I apologize because I was sick when I did the voiceover. So I'm basically just going to do this video and explain everything, and answer all the questions that I got before, and redo the gloss making. But this is going to be a really colored gloss. It's going to be tinted, so it's going to be a little bit different, but not that different. So the first thing I want to talk about is the number one thing that I get asked, and basically that is my labels. I wouldn't really tell y'all where I get my labels, because at the end of the day I did work for it. I did a lot of research and hard working to getting the research done and finding the best labels for my brand. But I am going to use a new label company, because I am doing wholesale, so I need a bigger quantity, because I am starting to make lip gloss for other people, and they don't really have wholesale or big quantity orders. So yeah, so where I get them from is Rainbow Labels. It's on that website called Etsy, or I don't even know. But in my previous video on how to make a business, I do show you the website and the exact I guess company I get it from. So y'all go check that out if you really want to know where I get my labels from. That's where I get them from. And they have all types of stuff. They have the gold, they have the hollow, all that stuff. I think they changed the thing to wedding thing or something like that, but it's the same. Everybody still uses their stuff for lip glosses. Another thing that I get asked is measurements for my glosses. I do not use measurements at all. Everything is eyeballed and guessed. It's just based on how many lip glosses you're gonna have, or how liquidy your consistency is. Like me, I know exactly how my consistency is and how I like it, so I basically just started doing the same thing. I mean, if I know I'm gonna make a lot of lip glosses, I'm pretty much gonna use the whole bag of lip gloss base. So it's just really based on how many lip glosses, or how many millimeters is the tubes. You just gotta really pay attention to all that stuff. And yeah, I really don't use measurements, but I am gonna also start explaining that when I start making the lip gloss in this video. So this video was really supposed to be on how I refill my tubes and stuff, and how I ship out and pack the lip gloss orders. But I just really wanted to explain everything in this video, because a lot of complaints were made on my other video that you couldn't hear me, and I kind of felt bad. So I'm just redoing it and trying to get as many questions answered in this video. So yeah, So another thing that I get asked is, how many tubes do I get out of a 5 ounce? And again, like I said, it's based on how you make your consistency, how watery, how many tubes you're making, how large the tubes are. Mine's are usually 8 to 10 millimeters, so I can get about 20, maybe 25 based on my consistency. When I have thicker consistency, like the one I'm making right now, I'm gonna explain. I can probably get around probably 10, pushing it probably 11, 12. It's just really based on how thick your consistency is and how big your tubes are. But that's how much I get, and my consistencies are pretty, thick to thin, but mostly thick. So yeah, so here I am making a colored gloss, and for this consistency it's going to be a little bit different, because one, it is a colored gloss. I feel like colored gloss should be a tad bit thicker because you want that nice tint, and you don't want to need to put a lot on your lips to see the tint. So I feel like the consistency does have to be a tad bit thicker than normal. So I did add just a tad bit oil, not a lot. I probably put like 2 caps and 2 drops of coconut oil and just really mixed it until I got the nice thick consistency I desired. Again, it's like my opinion that I feel like it should be a little bit thicker because it is a tinted gloss. So I mean, it could be different for you. It's just based on you. You do not have to follow everything that I do. So I'm just mixing and doing what I do. So for the color, I probably added 2, maybe 5 drops, 2 to 5 drops. I mean, you want to go slow slow, so I do 2 drops at a time, but I probably did like 5 drops. And reasons being is because I did want this gloss to be super pigmented, but not pigmented to the point like it looks like a whole lipstick. So I just wanted the redness to show on the lips with one application. This red is, I think it's red 6 or so. Yeah, 6 or 5. I'll put it down. But I did put the drops in raw, and this is because I did want it pigmented. Last time I did dilute the pigment just to give the gloss a little tint, but not on the lip. But this one I do kind of want the tint on the lips, so I did not dilute the color at all. So yeah, now you're watching me put in the lip gloss inside the syringe. I do use a spoon. Everything is sanitized. Everything is clean. I use the same bowl for lip gloss all the time. It's not used for anything else. Everything is clean and sanitized as usual. And yeah, so here I'm just gonna be filling up my tubes as normal. I think I only did 1 because this was just for video purposes. I really wanted to redo the video because a lot of people couldn't hear me and they had a lot of questions. I'm pretty sure I didn't answer everyone's questions or every question, but there's other videos that need to be made, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna answer them in the future. So this was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I answered most of the questions. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and check out my business in the description box below, and check out Curtessy Simone's channel as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask and I will try to answer them. I also left a little clip and some pictures at the end on showing you the color of the gloss and how it looks in lighting. I still don't know what to call this gloss, so if you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments and I will announce a winner on my next YouTube video and on Instagram. So keep an eye out for your name. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope y'all have a great day, and peace.